bonus. One, boom, boom, boom. Then you bring her back by for a little spinning side pass. This is everything you learned tonight with a little bonus on the end. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. 1, 2. Switch the hands. Triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Roll in, roll out. Back your trunk up to the shoulder. Take it back down. Then as you go to the shoulder, you catch that free hand. Triple step. From here we have options. I like the Titanic, which is a basket whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. Triple step. We can then do that with a spin. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Triple step. From here we can do any exit. I like a side pass, just letting go with one of the hands. We're now back in a handshake position. You can do side passes. You can roll in, roll out, whatever feels good. Everything you learned with a little bonus on the end looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Switch the hands. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. And 1, 2. Roll her in. Roll her out, and 1, 2, roll her in, roll her out, and 1, 2, spinning side pass into the Titanic, then showing her a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, little bonus, 1, boom, 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 then you bring her back by for a little spinning side pass. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Kortnee.